In this video, we are going to learn more about MS Access. MS Access is a relational database management system which helps us to organize and maintain the data in the form of a table by using a GUI interface, graphical user interface. The objects of a relational database management system are table, query, form, and report. Table is a collection of rows and columns. There are various methods to create a table. That is, you can create a table by using datasheet view, and you can create a table by using design view. In this video, we are going to learn about the queries. Queries means questionnaire, means if we want to retrieve some data from the database on the basis of some conditions, then that can be done with the help of a query. MS Access provide two ways to create a query, that is using query design and using query wizard. Now let us start how we can make a query, how we can create a query. If you want to create a query using design view, then you need to click on the create tab, just here. Just click on the create tab. In the create tab, you will find the group of table, group of query, group of form, and the group of report. So we are dealing with the query, then we will move in the group of query. In the group of query, there are two options. One is query design, another is query wizard. So first click on the create tab. After second step, after clicking on the create tab, go to the query groups. In the query group, select the option query design. As soon as you click on this query design option, a dialog box will appear in this way. A dialog box will appear which will show you all the tables which are created in the database and the queries which are present in the database. Right now we are having suppose two tables. One is, let us say, student details, another is table 2. We want to make a query from student details, then just select this table and click on the add button. As soon as you click on the add button, the table will be appear in the working area like this. Now these are the columns of the table which you have already created in the table. Now you need to drag and drop the column over here. Simply hold this column name and drag it to this place. Simply hold this and drag it to this place. Simply hold this and drag it to this place. Or simply by double clicking the column will appear from this box to this field area. Now here you see many options are present. First option is field, another option is table, another is sort, show, criteria, or. Field means it is the name of the column. Table shows from which table it is used, from it is taken. Sort, basically we use the sort option to arrange the data in the form of ascending or descending order. Show, here is a checkbox. If you check this box, then this column will appear in the query. If you uncheck this box, then this column will not appear in the query. Criteria is used to specify the condition. Or is that portion in which you can specify more criteria. So these are the columns which we are provided in the query to write the specific detail. So how we can make a query in the design view? Let us review once more. Click on the create tab. After clicking the create tab, go in the query group. In the query group, you will find the option query design. Select this query design option. A window will appear which will show the name of all the tables over here. select the table which you want to have in the query, and from this you will get all the name of the columns which are present in the table. Simply drag and drop the column over here or double click the column, it will move out automatically here. After that you need to save it. After that you need to save it, save the query with some name, and there is the option run, this option. When you click on this option run, the query will automatically execute and it will display the result in this form. So here we have selected only 3 columns: name, roll number, student name and gender. So in the execution of this query you are finding these 3 columns: roll number, name and gender. We have not specified any criteria or anything over here, that's why you are getting in this order. If you specify the sort option or a criteria, you will get the result according to the sort option or criteria over this query. Now we want to create a query by using multiple criterias. Criteria means condition. You can write the condition in the criteria area to sort and filter the query result. Multiple conditions can be joined with the help of and or operator. And operator are used when we want to make all the conditions compulsory, means all the condition has to be checked. Then we separate all the condition with the and if we want any of the condition is true, then we separate the condition with the operator or. How we can do this? Simply first you need to create the query. How we can create the query? Click on the create tab. In the create tab, go to the design query group. In the query group, select the option query design. After the query design, select the name of the table. After selecting the name of the table, select the columns which you want to have in the query, and after that now I am specifying the criteria over here. Here what is it in? Class 8th A. It means it will display the result of only those students who are studying in class 8th A. Also I am specifying the criteria for the gender also. Here I have written M for male. So it will display the details of the students of class 8th A which are male. Right now we are having these options: 8th A, 8th B, 8th C, 8th A, and this male female. But after specifying the criteria and conditions, you will get only 8th A options over there and those who are having male option. In this way, here it is first condition, here it is second condition. In this way you can specify the criteria. Okay, after the execution of the query you are getting this result. What? 8th A male, 8th A male. So you are getting the result of only those students who qualifies the criteria which we have specified over here. It means you are getting the result of those students who are in class 8th A and having the gender male. In this way.